says, I passed 3 tests through Becker. My last one, FAR, I failed with a 61. FAR has always been my nemesis. I only have 21 days to take FAR before BEC expires. Can you please lay out what to do to help me prepare and pass this exam with Ninja? I don't have Becker anymore. Please help me, in all caps. Okay, 21 days. So I don't know if that's 21 days that you're already into the prep or that you're studying from scratch. So go to another71.com. I'm going to link in the video below how to pass in 20 days. It's not a best practice, but it might save your life. And then also read how to study with Ninja as a full course. And but long story short, if you're starting from scratch in 20 days or whatever, like spend 3 days in the Ninja book, just kind of breeze through it, and 3 days max, and then jump right into the MCQ. So 3 weeks, you're going to camp out for 2 weeks in MCQ, and work the questions and take notes. And your final week, I would watch the Ninja Blitz videos. The Ninja Blitz videos are especially helpful if you're on an expedited study plan like you are with this, and so it's like you only have 2 or 3 weeks or whatever. So basically the MCQ is going to replace like your video. So you are learning with the MCQ. You're not testing yourself with the MCQ. You're learning with the MCQ, and then you're going to review with the Ninja Notes. You're listening to the Ninja audio everywhere you go, starting today. And Ninja Blitz, I would watch that at least once or twice before your exam. And at 61, you've already passed 3 other exams, so you're definitely obviously smart enough to pass and capable of passing. But there's some conceptual weakness, which is why you're scoring a 61. Like there's a hole there. If I'd guess, it'd be governmental accounting, not-for-profit accounting, and something like bonds or something like that. But governmental accounting and not-for-profit accounting, like if you're shaking your head, yes, I hate those, hit those first. Like nail those down first and in the MCQ, and then jump into the other areas. So it's not perfect, but I do believe that you can do it in 3 weeks. And so I wish you well on that.